Good morning everyone. Welcome to Smarty channel. A new and refreshing day, and I have come up today with a new and refreshing trick. Today in this session I am going to teach you a trick by using which you can perform well in any entrance exam, whether it is engineering, bank PO or any type of Indian entrance. So let's start the session today. So you can see on your screen you have two numbers 12 and 21. If you observe these two digits 12 and 21, in the number 12, if you see in the units place you have 12, sorry, in the units place you have 2, and in the tens place you have 1. Now if you reverse these digits, that is, instead of units place, if you keep 2 in the tens place and if you keep 1 in the units place, you will get 21. So 12 and 21 are reverse digits. They are reversed, the digits in these two numbers are in reverse order. So today in this session I am going to teach you how to multiply such numbers. So first let us see 12 into 21. So if you want to multiply 12 into 21, you have in these two numbers, if you see, you have two digits 1 and 2. So first multiply 1 and 2. 1 into 2 will give you 2. So type 2 and so you will get 2 in the units place. So 2 you can keep it in the units place, and the answer will have 3 digits. The answer will be 3-digit number. So to get the unit digits, you have to multiply 1 and 2, which you got 2. Now in the hundreds place, that is in the third place from the right side, you also put 2. So you got left portion of the answer and the right portion of the answer. Always the left portion and the right portion will be the same. To get the middle portion, you square 1 and 2. That is 1 square and 2 square. You square 1 and 2 and then you add it. So 1 square is 1, then 2 square is 4. 1 plus 4 is nothing but 5. So put 5 here. So this is your answer. 252 is the required answer. So 12 into 12 into 21 is equal to 252. Now let us solve another problem. So you have 18 and 81. Both 18 and 81 are reversed or numbers. They are reversed to each other. The digits in 18 and 81 are in reverse order. So let us see how to solve 18 into 81. Now you have two digits in 18 and 81, 1 and 8, that is 1 and 8. So multiply 1 and 8. 1 into 8 is nothing but 8. So put 8 in on the left side. So again in the units place also you put 8. So you got the left portion of the answer and you got the right portion of the answer. Now to get the middle portion of the answer, you have to find the square of 8 and 1 and you have to add it. So square of 8 is 64 and square of 1 is 1. So 64 plus 1 is 65. But 65 is a 2-digit number. You cannot take a 2-digit number. So instead of taking 2-digit number, we will take out in the number 65, you take 5 in, you'll keep 5 in the middle portion and you will carry over 6 to 8. So now 8 plus carry over 6 will give you 14. So remove 8 and in place of 8 you put 14. So this is the required answer. So 18 into 81 is equal to 1458. It's as simple as this. So now let us see another problem. You have 23 into 32, which are reverse numbers. The digits are in reverse order in both the numbers. So to get the left portion and the right portion of the answer, you multiply 2 and 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Put 6 and another 6 in the right side. So you got the right portion and the left portion of the answer. Now to get the middle portion, you square 2 and 3 and add them. 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. But 13 is a 2-digit number. You cannot take a 2-digit number. So put 3 here and carry over 1. So on the left side you have 6. 6 plus carry over 1 will give you 7. So put 7 here. So this is the answer. So 23 into 32 is equal to 736. It is as simple as this. Now let us go to the next number. 36 into 63. So you have two digits 3 and 6. 6 3s are 18. So put 18 on the left side and then put 18 on the right side. Now if you see on the right side, the number is 18, which is a 2-digit number, but you cannot take a 2-digit number. So what you do is you remove 1 and you carry over 1 to the next number. Now to get the middle number, you square 6 and 3 and add it. So 6 square is 36 and 3 square is 9. 36 plus 9 is 45. 45 plus 1 we have carry over 1. So 45 plus 1 carry over 1 will be 45 plus carry over 1 will give you 46. Again you are getting a 2 digit number. Put 6 here and carry over 4 to the next number. So on the left side you have 18. 18 plus carry over 4. 18 plus carry over 4 will give you 22. So put 22 on the left side. So 2226 is the required answer. 2226 is the required answer. So always remember, when you are multiplying two numbers, if you get a 2 digit number, you put the rightmost digit on the right side and you carry over the left digit to the number on the left side. It's as simple as that. Now let us do the next problem. 40, you have 48 and 84. So 4 into 8 is 32. So type 32 on the left side, and right side also you type 32. So right side also you can type 32. But 32 is a 2 digit number. We cannot take a 2 digit number. So what you do is we'll remove 3 and we'll carry over the 3 to the middle number. And now to calculate the middle number, you have to square 8 and 4. 8 square is 64, 4 square is 16. 64 plus 16 is 83. 83 plus 3 carry over. We have already have a 3 carry. So 80 plus 3 is 83. So put 3 here and carry over 8. And carry over 8. Now on the left side, if you see, already we have 32. 32 plus carry over 8 will give you 40. So type 40. So this is your required answer. So 48 into 84 is equal to 4032. This is as simple as this. Now let us go to the next number. 79 and 97. Same thing. 7 nines are, multiply 7 and 9. 7 nines are 63. Put 63. Then give space. Put 63. You got the right portion and the left portion. Now in the right portion you have 63. Which is a 2 digit number, but you cannot take a 2 digit number. So remove 6, you put only 3 and carry over 6, and you carry over 6 to the middle number. So now to calculate the middle portion, you square 7 and 9 and add them. 7 square is 49, 9 square is 81. 81 plus 49 will give you 130. 130 plus you have carry 6. You have carry 6. So 130 plus 6 will give you 136. So put 6 here. So put 6 here and you carry over 13. So you carry over 13. Now on the left side you have 63 plus carry over 13. So 63 plus 13 will give you 76. So put 76. So this is the required answer. So 79 into 97 is equal to 7663. It is as simple as this. Now let us do another problem. 56 into 65. Now let us see another problem. 56 into 65. Now here we have two numbers, 6 and 5. 2 digits 6 and 5. 6 into 5 is 30. Put 30 here. So on the right side, to get the right portion of the number, you have 30. So which is a 2 digit number. You cannot take a 2 digit number. So put 0 and carry over 3. Put 0 and carry over 3. Now to get the middle portion, you square 5 and 6. You square 5 and 6 and add the squares. So 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36. 36 plus 25. 36 plus 25 will give you 61. 36 plus 25 will give you 61. 61 plus carry over 3 will give you 64. 64 you put 4 and carry over 6. And carry over 6. Now on the left side, if you see, on the left side you already have 30. 30 plus 6 carry over will give you 36. So put 36. So 3640. This is the required answer. So 56 into 65 is equal to 3640. Now let us do another problem. 39 into 91. So here we are having 2 digits, 3 and 9. Now multiply 3 and 9. 9 3s are 27. Put 27 on the left side. On the right side you put only 7. Okay, you put only 7. You carry over 2. You carry over 2. To get the middle portion, you have 3 square is 9 and 9 square is 81. You have 2 digits 3 and 9. So 3 square is 9, 9 square is 81. 81 plus 9 will be 90. 90 plus 2 carry over will give you 92. So put 2. So put 2 So put 2 here, just a minute. Yeah. So put 2 here and carry over 9. So on the left side already you have 27. 27 plus 9. 27 plus 9 will give you 36. 27 plus 9 will give you 36. So this is the required answer. So 39 into 93 is equal to 3627. Let me check once again. 9 into 327 to carry. 3 square is 9. 9 square is 81. 81 plus 9 is 90. 90 plus 2 is 92. 2 9 carry. 27 plus 9 carry is equal to 36. So 3627. It's as simple as this. So I hope you have understood the trick which I taught you today. So if you really like my trick, and if you want me to come up with more such tricks in future, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and like my channel. So in future I will be coming with more such tricks. So good morning and thank you, and all the best for your future. Thank you.